Hey, what's up, guys? No pita la güey. Hold on. What's up, you guys? What am I driving today? Check it out. Driving a 1993 Mitsubishi Minicab Truck. If you guys ever wanted to check out a Mitsubishi Mini truck, well, watch the video, check it out. So this one comes with the 3-cylinder, 600cc engine with 42 horsepower. It does not have a hood though, so where does all that power come from? Right here. You gotta open the seat, and then there you go. Engine's right here located in the bottom. You can access it from both sides. It comes with a 4-speed manual, 4-wheel drive, high and low, and it is a truck from Japan, so it is right-hand drive. And this one only comes at 64,000 kilometers. This is top of the line actually, because like I said, it's 4-wheel drive and it also has AC. So it might not be the fastest, but it is a work truck. So these little Japanese trucks, you can fold it back like this. This one folds down. There you go, a little stuck. And then this one also folds down. And there you go. No more back problems. Loading and unloading should be really, really easy. A lot of people say you can't drive these around because they're not legal. I mean, it really depends on your state though. We're in California, which is probably the worst state to have anything, any car really. But this one does happen to be tagged though. It's got the plates from South Dakota and it's got a motorcycle plate. I've been using it for a while actually, up and down here. And like I said, we're in California. It's probably the worst state to have this, but we've been driving it up and down, no problem. I never got pulled over. I've had a couple cops that'll come up next to the window and give me a thumbs up. So that's good enough for me. We're gonna put 20 bucks in this truck. Damn California, the gas prices. Let's see, I can't find the... What do you open this thing up though? No. Huh. Oh wait, there it is. Let's make sure they don't steal the gas. There you go. Let's fill up this bad boy. $20. Let's see what it'll get us. At $4.29 a gallon. Less than 5 gallons. Let's see how much we get. Yeah, still going up, still going up. This might take a minute though. There it is. About 20 bucks. It was empty. Gas is expensive in California though, man. They said it couldn't be done, but I think it can be.
We're gonna get it done right now.
We can buy a toolbox. We're trying it out, everyday life in the truck. Let's see if it fits.
Oh, it's too late.
What do you know? Wait, take that one down too. Make it easier. There you go. We're putting the workhorse to work today. As you can see, this truck is pretty good for anything, really. We just bought a toolbox. We may go to Home Depot a little later today, so it's pretty good in everyday life. And we get a lot of good looks everywhere we go. A lot of thumbs up. Oh, we thought we got a good deal on the toolbox, but now we got to pay for the tow truck though.
Yeah, Starbucks.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a good deal, but I don't know what happened. We'll see. I'm gonna see if we can get a little cheaper though, since it's a lot of space left over, so we might be able to get a good deal. The toolbox was 60 bucks, and I think the tow truck's gonna be 80, so not a very good deal. And then the Starbucks, not a good deal. It's gotta be the fuel filter. I want my $60 back for the tow truck. Alright guys, we're gonna go on a quick Home Depot run just to show you how useful this truck is. A lot of people say you can't drive it, this and that. I'm gonna show you otherwise. Hopefully it doesn't start raining because it looks a little cloudy up there though, but I think the wipers work. And they work real good.
So we just made it to Home Depot, and right now it looks a little bit crowded. We're looking for a parking spot for the little truck. Oh, what do you know? This little truck probably fits in every little tight space. So what do you know? Look at this. Little truck fits anywhere in little tight spaces. When you have one of these trucks, you can park anywhere. We're here at Pro Customers. There it is.
Hi guys, we bought 2 buckets just to come and try it out. When we were out here, I think like 3 dudes came up to us and asked me, hey, what's up with the truck? I got an electric one. I was like, nah man, this was Japan. This was right-hand drive. I was tying him up though. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere.
Safety first.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna take a few measurements just to see how big this truck really is. Let's go to the back, to the bed. Alright, let's see. So about, what is that? About 53 inches this way. And then long ways, let's see, it's gonna be about 76 inches. So a little bit over 6 feet right there. We're gonna see what else we could fit up here besides buckets. Check out the inside though. The inside might be a little challenging though. The inside might be a little challenging if you're a little hefty. So from here to here, that's about 1.5 feet, about 16 inches right there. So if you're a little on the bigger side, I don't know if I recommend it. Height-wise, yeah, a little over 3 feet. You should be good. Let's try the back. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect truck for taking your quad out. It has no carpet, so you're not gonna get it dirty. It's a manual transmission, and it's also 4-wheel drive, high and low, so you shouldn't have any problems getting stuck with this one. Look at that. Beautiful. It fits right in the bed. Loading it is easy, but unloading it is even easier. So there it is, a day in the life with the Mini K truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ici Kemaka.